there's another one. Oh, jeez!
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm out fishing mangrove shorelines in search of snook, small tarpon, and anything else that will bite. I will be pushing my way back into small mangrove creeks to find out what these tiny waterways are holding. Should be a fun trip. Stay tuned.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Alright, settle down, settle down. Oh, I was like, feels like I got a fish. Thanks, but oh, beautiful background. Okay, okay. All right. Oh, it's a dead bird. I think that's a good omen. Oh, oh. Oh man, off my lure. Okay, there are two, and what I'd like to tell you is both of them equally went after it, and this guy got it, and the other one was so much bigger. Truth is, they were both the same size. Another little creek snook, backcountry guy. Oh. What do we got? What do we got? Excellent there. Good job, bud. Oh. There it is. That's a little bit better fish. Oh, he threw off my bait. There you go. Nice. Oh, oh, oh. I'm back to the little guys. Nice little snook. See you, bud. So that makes me think 4. I think, or no, 5 rather. I think we got 3 in the creek, and oh, jeez. Oh shoot! I should have retied. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, this one's bigger. This one's a little bit bigger, and he's coming up. He's coming up. Oh crap! No, no, no. No, 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 oysters, oysters. Look at this. I'm pedaling backwards. God dang, I didn't put my net in. Oh, I do this every time. Oh no, oh, he's still on. Oh, it's okay. I need a bigger net again. Oh yeah, good one, better one, better one. Nice blow up, buddy. Thank you for that. Don't lose my net again. All right, yeah, give it some extra time. He's kicking, but I want him to give me a big heart. There he goes. Pretty little snook. Ace throwing it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, jeez. Oh no. Oh my God. Did you see that? Oh, jeez. Oh, oops. Wasn't gonna say. Oh crap. Oh, I'm up Shark Creek with that. Oh God. Oh, thank God. Oh, and I've got my lure. And oh, I feel bad for that snook. Oh man, not even frayed. Oh. Ooh, someone just bumped me. Oh my gosh. Oh, wee cow. And I'm stuck. Oh, it's shallow. Oh, and there's something moving in here. Wow, what was that? Big bull shark, I think. Oh my God. All hands and feet are to remain inside the vehicle. I am in holy cow mode. Is there something following me? Did I lose my cooler?